an appointment with somebody and you think that you have free time, but then realize that you don't. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah, I think I should have that time available at, what time's good for you? 12:15? Yeah, hold on. Let me check my calendar. Hold on. Oh, yeah, no, that doesn't work for me. Is there another time that works for you? Friday at 2? Okay, hold on a second. Hold. No, no, Friday at 2 doesn't work for me. What about on Monday at 10 a.m.? So you have Bridgeport. All right. Tuesday at 4? No, no. Tuesday at 2. Okay, hold on. One second. Tuesday at 2. Ah, man. I got a dental cleaning. Okay. All right. You know what might be better? Can you give me a call back in like 15 minutes when I'm sitting in front of my computer and I can stare at my schedule at the same time instead of like looking back and forth with my phone? Okay. All right. I'll talk to you then. Okay. Ciao. So have you ever done that before? Well, there's a new tool that allows you to not have to do that anymore, and it's called Schedule Once. So today I'm going to go over some quick uses of Schedule Once and how it can make your life a lot easier. It sure has helped me. All right. Here's the Schedule Once website, and one of the things that I want you to take a look at. Well, you're more than welcome just to look around the whole website. There's a lot of information. It's very comprehensive, and I would recommend taking the free trial. I did it for about 3 days and realized that it was something that would really help me. But, or sorry, and I wanted to show you three things that really set this apart from any other tool that I've ever used before. So I'm going to access my account, but what you can do is you can go through these different solutions to see if this is right for you. The pricing is as little as $5 per month. And I think the most common one is $19 a month. That's the one that I was using. And here I'm going to access my account and show you the back end of using Schedule Once, because what you can do is it accesses your own calendar. So here I have a number of different calendars that I utilize. And what I've done within Schedule Once, here's my back end here. This is how I configure everything for Schedule Once for me. So I can take a look at the different scheduling options here, and you can do it automatic or with approval. I prefer to do it with approval, and I do single sessions right now, but you can do multiple, and that's pretty simple to set up. And you can take a look at your time slots. Excuse me. So here's your workload rules, and what you do is I try to make sure that I have 15 minutes buffer between each of my different bookings so that I don't end up with too overloaded a schedule. And I make sure that they have at least 4 hours before the meeting time that they can actually make the scheduling. You can change these if you want in your own configuration once you set up your own information here. The time zone conversion, I would definitely recommend making sure that they uh, do it to their own time zone, because that has happened before with me, with people in different time zones, and things can get kind of messed up. So here they can schedule or reschedule anytime, and that's done on their own side. So here, what I've done is I can enter recurring or date-specific times on a weekly basis that I'm available. So I put down between 8:30 and 3 o'clock on Monday, Tuesday. Anyway, you can put down whatever time it is that you're available to set your schedule. And then if there's a date-specific one that you can or cannot set up, you can do it right in here. And for me, my time zone is Pacific. So here you can actually add in your own calendars. So right now, my main booking calendar is they get you to the top calendar
which is highlighted here in blue. So that's these blue ones. And then also the busy time for me is my family stuff. I don't want to have anybody schedule something when I've got to go and pick up the kids from the bus, or watch them do their mountain biking or do gymnastics or something along those lines. I also don't want to cover over anything where I've got a dental appointment, or if I'm working out or training for my triathlons, my world-class athletic training schedule, I don't want that to be covered over as well. So you can put in as many or as few of these as you want, that you can have a busy time, and it'll make sure that it doesn't book over top of those. Then you can do your location if you wanted to change a location, and you can set up booking forms, customer notifications. You can go through templates here. It's, again, very comprehensive and quite easy to use. The user notifications, you can actually set up reminders to go out to them through text messages and SMS. That does cost a little bit more, but it's a really neat add-on. And then you can actually, if you have Salesforce, you can add a Salesforce connector, and you can set up your own booking pages with your own header logo and all that sort of thing. Once you get the booking request, which I've just received in the email, you can click Approve this request, and it brings up the Schedule Once app, and you can see how it shows you the different zones that I've requested. So somebody else would request this, but this is just an example. So I can either pick this one, or if I don't like that one, I can pick this one. So given the fact that I'm going to be working through these, and I might want to leave this open to do some podcasts, I would click Schedule here, and I'm going to confirm that. Now let's just see, once it schedules it, it should show up in here. There it is. And this gives me this reschedule link if I wanted to reschedule. And that makes sure that it doesn't overlap anywhere in my schedule. So fantastic tool, well worth the price. Highly recommend it.